Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. This is your well-wisher Drive Shiv. Are you worried about weak bones, joint pain, or the risk of fractures? In today's video, we're going to talk about how to improve your bone strength naturally with simple, everyday steps. So, whether you're young or old, this video is for you. Let's get started. Section 1. Why bone strength matters. Your bones are the foundation of your body. They support you, protect your organs, and store essential minerals like calcium. But as we age, bones can become weak and porous, leading to conditions like osteoporosis. So it's important to take action early and keep your bones strong throughout life. Section 2. Nutrition tips. 1. Get enough calcium. Adults need around 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams of calcium per day. Best sources: checkmark milk, cheese, yogurt, checkmark leafy greens like spinach, checkmark almonds and sesame seeds. 2. Don't forget vitamin D. Vitamin D helps absorb calcium. Sunlight is the best source. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes daily. Other sources include checkmark fortified milk or cereals, checkmark egg yolks, checkmark fatty fish like salmon. Section 3. Exercise for strong bones. Exercise isn't just for muscles, it strengthens your bones too. Focus on checkmark weight-bearing exercises like walking, jogging, and dancing. Checkmark resistance training like squats or using resistance bands. Checkmark balance exercises to prevent falls, like yoga or tai chi. Section 4. Avoid these bone killers. Some habits weaken your bones. Try to avoid crossmark smoking, crossmark excess alcohol, crossmark too much caffeine or cola, crossmark long-term use of steroids, only under medical supervision. Section 5. Extra tips and lifestyle. Checkmark maintain a healthy weight. Being underweight increases risk of fractures. Checkmark get regular bone density tests if you're above 50 or have a family history. Checkmark stay active. Movement is medicine. And that's it. Easy and powerful ways to improve your bone strength. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe bell, and share it with someone who needs stronger bones. Stay strong, stay healthy. See you in the next video.